Hare Krishna. In Krishna consciousness, singing kirtans in glorification of the Lord is really our heart and soul. But many a times it so happens that we want to sing, but a major challenge we come across is that personally we don't know how to play mridanga or kartal, and we don't have another player available as well. And then somehow we manage without mridanga beats. But here I have come across a wonderful solution to this problem. There is this nice app called Swar Tal available on Play Store, which will give you beautiful mridanga beats in the background to your singing. Let me just brief you about it. So you can download it from Play Store and open the app Swar Tal. And as you can see, there are many functions available. You can change the tunes. Tanpura is available in the background. Then here there is a segment of tabla and ISKCON and Bollywood. So we will switch to ISKCON. And then here in the right hand side you can see there are Khol 8 beats, 7 beats, 6 beats, everything is available. For example, I click Khol and Manjeera 8 bits. And then you can change the speed as well, medium beat, fast beat. And I click on medium beat and then you start playing. Just see how nice. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And if you want to increase the speed, you can increase the beats per minute from here. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And along with it, the 6 beat mantra is also available, that we commonly known as Do Tal. Namameshwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajmana. Like that, there are many more beautiful features available. You can play the Tanpura along, you have the tuner, you have Swar Mandal, you have various rhythmic variations as well as the styles. So I will recommend you to just go download this app and explore now. Hare Krishna.